Welcome to my channel.
How to log in to 192.168.1.1 admin page easily. 1. Connect to your router. First, connect your device, computer, laptop, or smartphone to the router using Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. 2. Open a web browser. Open any web browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox on your device. 3. Enter the IP address. In the browser address bar, type 192.168.1.1 and press enter. 4. Wait for the login page. Your router's admin login page should appear in a few seconds. 5. Enter the username. Type the router username. For many routers, the default username is admin. 6. Enter the password. Now enter the router password. The default password is often admin or password unless it has been changed. 7. Click the login button. After entering the credentials, click the login button to access the router dashboard. 8. Access the admin panel. You will now see the router settings page where you can manage Wi-Fi, security, and network options. 9. Change settings if needed. From the dashboard, you can change the Wi-Fi name, password, parental controls, or security settings. 10. Save and log out. After making changes, click Save, apply and log out of the admin panel to keep your network secure. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.